Yes, people, welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm gonna explain you a little bit more about the Messenger, because sometimes the video icon is pulsing in Messenger, and if you want, I can explain you why that is. It's because if your friend and you are both simultaneously are online, and then Facebook gives you a hint. It's just a hint to continue and directly video chatting with each other through video chat, because Messenger and Facebook, of course Google, they always want to try out new features. So if they sometimes they try things, and they know, of course, when you click on the video icon to call, they know they have to they get inspired by a lot of people when they click the video icon, and they have to do something with the fact more people are clicking on the video icon when both people are online at the same time, so it's a little bit a test phase of this. So that's why, and you can't stop it, and otherwise you have to remove Messenger, of course, but I don't think you want that. Well, thanks for this one. Hope you learned something new, and if you want to thank me, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye-bye.